Hey friends, to change the default view in Microsoft Excel, please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Excel in the Windows search bar and open Excel and then go to a new worksheet. Click on File, select Options, go to the General tab, and we have something here which says when creating new workbooks. So the default view for the new sheets is normal view, or you can select the page break view or the page layout view, whatever you want. Okay, click on OK. And this is the default one. I mean, when you are opening the presentation, but if you wish to change the view for the presentation at the time of working, then you have to go to the view tab, and we have all of these options like page break preview, page layout, custom views, and make some custom views and all. So if you want to change it at that point of time, this is the option. And if you wish to change it for the default one, then you know where to go. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.